Hi friends! Today we're going to take a look at how you can use your Promethean board while you are accessing your creative curriculum. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at your buildings question of the day. We'll look at that unit. So the first thing you can do is on your Promethean board, if you do not see your Teams icon here, you can go ahead and go into the search area, and then you can type in Microsoft Teams. Really, you could just type in Teams. So then that will pop up there. And here I already have our creative curriculum team access here. So once you are in this area, you can go to Files, and then you have access to all of your different files. So question of the day, and then here is your building study. So in preparation for this particular unit, we are going to actually go to the internet and we're going to find buildings. And we're going to do that by going to our Google here search. And then I'm going to type in Fresno. I'm going to use my keyboard just because it's a little easier. So I'll type in Fresno buildings, and I want to go to images. Okay, so here's lots of different Fresno images. So I'm going to actually capture my picture here. So we'll use, we'll just use this building here. So I'm going to use my capture tool. So I'll click on here. I went to capture. And so now I'm going to crop my picture. So I only want this picture in my capture. Okay, done. And that's going to take me to my whiteboard. So now, remember this is an infinite space. So now what I'm going to do is I can have my students now come up and they can draw their own building to add to our community here of Fresno. And then maybe they can think of other buildings they see around town as they're going to school or as they're going home. So you have two pens, or you could just use your finger, it's up to you. So if I wanted to draw a building, say I wanted to draw a school to add here. So I would pick my color here. And if I wanted my pen size to be different, I can click on my pen and then I can choose the different sizes that I want my pen to be. Okay. So because I'm drawing, I'm going to go a little bit smaller here. Okay. So let's draw a school. I'm going to try. Okay. Okay. So here we go. So I'm going to draw a school here. Okay, we're pretending that's a school. I might add, maybe a flag here, right? Okay, and we'll say that's a school. And then your students, each student can come up and they can just draw around the community. So remember, you can have maybe about 4 students at a time come up to the panel, and then they can all draw at the same time. So now if you wanted to go to the computer side of the Promethean board, we are going to click on our Promethean menu, and I'm going to click on Source, and then I'm going to go to OPS. And that will quickly take me to my computer side of my panel